On one of the previous videos I made about Mpumelelo and Lwandle, I mentioned that I sensed that there is beef between them. And someone actually said on the comment section that there is no beef. And I let it be then. But the thing about me is that I can read body language. I saw Lwandle side-eyeing Mpumelelo in an irritated, bored and annoyed way. And indeed, there is, or there was, beef. Hello fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. Now you know I always come with proof to back me up, so brace yourself. Mpumelelo came with a business idea to Lwandle about opening up a security company, right? Lwandle yabaleka running to his mother with this idea. Umacele helps him, but it didn't take off. I doubt it even started because we never heard about it. And now I just want a little bit, let's observe Umacele. And this is my personal opinion. Umacele is not a good person, Jegwayena in general. She pretends a lot when she has to or when she has to spite someone. But she looks out for her own a lot. They need each other, they are siblings, not just her own kids, but the other wife's kids. You get what I mean? Especially Lowa ke umntana slow. Uyabadinga abantwana bakowabo. Don't come for me, but it is what it is, okay? Mpumelelo mentioned how that didn't sit well with him. And he's only saying it now. But that means that he's been carrying this all along. He felt betrayed by his own brother because he actually wanted to do this business with him. That was the plan. And the plan was actually his. Let's take a listen.
ngingafike ngikhuluma iplan nawe ngibe no deep plan lela sengiyalenza nodwa ngisanginvolve me kodwa ke phela ke yagcina ingenze kanga ke lonto ke
angakuphawula ngalokho no enza lento lesho mfweni ngoba oma wakho ngiyabaza ukuthi into moyikhuluma nabo ayenzeki enza lento
akulungile
sengiyahamba asambeni
next year kulungile
next year yeah lesi sikhathi phela sokuthi kwenzeke into
kubekho lo ungenakuphawula nto. Ikhona into ke ayithethe lo mfana guys. Waske wasis aram. He was able to take his brother's business idea, make it his own with the help of his mother. Ngoku akanakuphawula. Bodke son. Guys, I am still coming with one more video of Izingano's Tembu. I just needed to get this one out of the way because I love it when I'm right, okay? Eyamadoda Ayipeli, and this one, the reason why Mpumelelo is mentioning it is because it didn't sit well with him. It does bother him. That's all I have for you for now. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. You hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my content. I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.